you are working in the agile environment and you are a project specific thing, can you talk about the end date of the project even in the agile environment, because agile environment is expected to have a lot of changes. Now one thing is, when we talk about project, it is a little specific agile environment. It is not a generic agile environment which you see, study, hear, because generic, in general, the agile way of working is a product oriented working. So they don't even consider anything called project. Now, when you don't have a project, you don't have a project management related issues. But if you have a project where you need to talk about a particular end date, estimation, some set of stakeholders, you need to engage with them. And at the same time, the project requirements might emerge as we go along. So the organization decides not to do a very stringent change management and they want to continuously figure it out what is the requirement, but they want to focus on project way of working. There are some billing, there are some contract, there are some other things which needs to be taken care. So in those kind of environment, again, it's a kind of a mix of agile and project management way of working. You are into something, you may have a duration in which you are expected to achieve some goal. So you can have an end date. Now, end date not necessarily associated with set of requirements. If you have a set of requirements and end date, then there is no agility there. But if we have end date without a set of requirement, then that is something we can say, yeah, we can have this amount of capacity. The vendor has been hired for this much time, and we will explore how the things goes as we go along. So that's the way probably the agile project may end up having end date, but you should not have requirement and end date. If you are having both, then it might be better considered as a predictive lifecycle project rather than you calling it as an agile project, which is also perfectly fine. If the business needs it, you not necessarily have to do everything in the agile way of working. So that's something we can pick it from there.